Well, at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, demand for coffee around the world remains strong. But global coffee experts at a recently held Coffee Market Outlook event in Jakarta believe that the Russia-Ukraine war could push global coffee demand lower due to surging inflation. Nevertheless, experts believe that the prospects of Indonesia's coffee industry remain positive as lower COVID restrictions and higher economic activity will keep Indonesia's coffee demand strong. Indonesia is well known and globally famous for its coffee. In 2021, Indonesia produced over 774,000 tons of coffee, while the industry employs over 1.8 million families. But like many other commodities, the Indonesian and global coffee industry is poised to face many challenges in the months to come. At the 2023 Coffee Market Outlook event in Jakarta, global coffee industry analyst and consultant Judith Gaines said that the Russia-Ukraine war is set to have a negative impact on the global coffee industry, as higher inflation in many countries and the potential of a recession due to the war will push down the global demand for coffee, affecting Indonesian exports and also lowering the prices of the beans.
The outbreak of the war caused oil prices to go up, increased costs for many items, and concerns about demand and about a recession in Europe because of fears of gas shortages this coming winter and the high prices, and people will rather keep themselves warm, and maybe not have as much money to drink coffee, or they'll make a lot of coffee to keep their hands warm.
Meanwhile, inflation spurred by Russia's war in Ukraine has also pushed the Fed to raise rates, leading to a much stronger dollar, which in turn is set to further lower the prices of commodities such as coffee, spelling bad news for Indonesian coffee farmers and exporters.
Also, one of the factors from the war has been the dollar has been super, super strong. And when you have a strong dollar, then it tends to depress commodity prices, because it means there's more incentive to sell coffee to get dollars, and that tends to depress the market.
But on the other hand, Indonesian global coffee expert Mulyono Susilo said that even though a global recession is likely to come, history has shown that large-scale economic crises has not affected coffee consumption, so a global recession could be good for coffee businesses.
As we know, next year for sure we have a recession. Everyone is talking about the recession. The consumption will be lower or not, we don't know. But we have some experience. We have the crisis economy before. During the crisis, the coffee consumption is not lower, correct? The crisis, the coffee consumption is higher. So actually, the crisis is good for the coffee business. So we must prepare for the next year. Crisis yes come, but there is opportunity for the coffee business.
However, Mulyono said that this year Indonesian coffee production is 10% lower and is projected to be even lower next year, potentially down by 10 to 15%. But overall, Mulyono believes the prospect of Indonesia's coffee industry remains positive, as demand will further increase amid the loosening of COVID restrictions, increase in foreign tourism, and the generally higher movement of people, leading to more drinking and consumption of coffee.